Presenting ASUS TUF Gaming F15 laptop. It has Windows 10 Home operating system and it weighs 2.3 kilograms. The laptop features 10th generation Intel Core i5-10300H processor, 2.5 GHz base speed, 8 MB cache, up to 4.5 GHz maximum speed, 4 cores and 8 threads. The 8 GB DDR4 2933 MHz RAM, which is upgradable up to 32 GB, and dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti GDDR6 4 GB VRAM or NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GDDR6 4 GB VRAM gives you a smooth performance. The 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD makes sure that you can store all your music, movies and pictures. This laptop comes with 48 Wh 3-cell lithium polymer battery. The 15.6-inch display with LED backlit Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, anti-glare IPS level panel, 45% NTSC and 16:9 aspect ratio provides you an immersive experience. The laptop also features nano edge bezels, stealthy and sleek Fortress Grey chassis, one-zone RGB backlighting keyboard and HD 720 pixels CMOS module web camera. Inside the box you will find the laptop, charger, user guide and manuals.